ब्रेस्ट कैंसर या ब्रेस्ट एबनॉर्मल केसे चेक करें अपने घर में। चलिए जानते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मेडिगो।
Breast cancer, a painful disease. Fighting it is in your hands, quite literally. Your hands are strong weapons against breast cancer. Use your hands once every month for 5 short minutes through the following 6 steps. Stand facing a mirror and raise your arms. Lower your arms. Press them firmly against your hips. Slowly turn from side to side and look for changes in breasts shape and size, nipples shape and size, appearance of the skin. Feel your breasts and the surrounding areas for lumps. Gently squeeze the nipples to check for any abnormal discharge. Lie down and repeat steps 4 and 5. 6 easy steps of breast self-examination. Your hand can keep you ahead in your fight against breast cancer.